Hey everyone, this is our next check-in. So I told you we were going to do this a lot today. I've got a few announcements I'll make later on before I close out the video, but first things first, I want to introduce you to our new humanities teacher. Dwayne Johansson, right?
There you go, yeah.
Dwayne Johansson just joined us partway through last term, so some of you maybe saw him around or met him, but I thought I'd let him tell you guys and our grads a little bit about himself.
Hi everyone. As Ms. Ria said, my name is Dwayne Johansson. By the way, it's S-E-N at the end. I come from Danish heritage and
Not like Scarlett?
No, not like Scarlett or anything like that. So yeah, people always ask me about Scarlett Johansson, no relation to her, and even though our names are similar and our physiques are similar, not Dwayne Johnson either. So, which it's tough. I get confused a lot and everything, and I can't even sing very many of the Moana songs.
That's disappointing.
We do my son likes the "You're Welcome" one a lot.
That's
though.
the best one.
Yeah. So everything. But I'm so excited to be the new humanities teacher and to join the team here at the Excel Center in Kokomo. I have been a teacher or involved with education or with young people and those kinds of things, social service, for a long time. I'm just coming off of a job working at the University of Illinois, and I was an outreach coordinator, so I was working on educating people specifically about East Asia. So I worked for the Center for East Asian Pacific Studies at the University of Illinois. So I'm really thrilled to be back in the classroom on a regular basis, though, from here on out. Okay. My background is as an English teacher. My favorite thing to teach is creative writing, and my favorite part about that is teaching poetry. And my favorite type of poetry to teach is a type of poetry called shijo from Korea. So if you come to my classroom, I'm going to make you write shijo, but you'll be great at it. So because it's really a fun thing to write it and stuff. I also have lots of other interests then. I have some artistic interests, even though I'm not very artistic myself, or I'm not very good at it, I don't think. But I will talk about art and share art with you a lot and everything. I also often wear ties, even though I don't have one today. At one time, I had amassed a collection of over 300 ties.
Wow.
Yeah, and so my goal is to not wear the same tie more than once a school year. So we'll see if that works. So.
All right.
And I also
might have to do a tie check-in.
We might really. So we'll see. But I do have I do have a lot of ties, and I know this because I just moved and I had to pack all those up and everything. So and I also like distinctive socks, like my polka dot ones here today. So
those are excellent.
Yes, I do have some fun socks and stuff. So. Other than that, father to 3 wonderful sons ranging in age from 22 to 14, and I have a pet cat named Alice who only likes me and no one else. So there you go.
Must have something about you.
Something
More
about,
good.
I think it says more about Alice, really.
Cats.
So yes, that's what it says about. So, okay.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss Ria.
All right, let's go see what everyone else is up to. All right, we're gonna come around the corner here. Instead of just letting you look at blank walls, you're gonna look at my ugly mug. But here we go. Okay, so we have switched. We've got the same 3 sessions, so I'm not gonna spend a ton of time peeking in. But they're drawing again, and it looks like this group's really getting into it. They're having a lot of fun.
All right, well, you're next.
I'm non-existent. Sweet.
You're invisible.
Oh, he likes video
Let's
games?
listen, guys.
He likes sleeping and
Hey, guys, let's not talk while somebody else is talking so that we all have the same amount of respect here. All right, good.
He likes video games, he likes sleeping and working.
That's true, and I don't have a picture or a face.
No.
You are the faceless one.
Yeah, I'm just disembodied voice.
We'll go ahead and do you guys next right here.
We're not done.
Okay, this group's in with Emily. Let's see what slide she's got up right now.
But
Oh, it's the same one we already
look it
saw.
over, right? The student handbook basically talks about our program. It talks about our
Yep. So I managed to hit that session at the exact same time again. So I'm not going to stick around in there very often. I was hoping to find maybe she had a different graph up or something, but that thing with attendance and grades, if you graduated from here, you 100% know that's true. If you're about to graduate, you 100% know that's true. The more you attend, the easier it is to get the grades you need to graduate. So even though we are a free high school, even though we have a lot of flexibility built into our scheduling, as far as being able to start at different times of the day and having some evening classes and a few online classes, attendance is key. So you've got to do it to make it. Let's see what the other group's doing. Well, they're overjoyed with excitement to be filling out forms. I got a few smiles. There, you're waking up just a little bit. All right. Okay, I'm going to sign back out once again, and I'll check in at least one more time today. I'm really appreciative to those who have came and viewed and said hello. So it's always great to see you guys. Take care.